Hi everyone, it's Sue. Do you believe in magic? No, Halloween hasn't come early this year. And no, I'm not talking about magic markers, magic erasers, or even Magic Johnson. I'm talking about DIY magic. So do you believe I have the power to turn a few inexpensive Dollar Tree items into an amazing high-end looking home decor item? If you said no, be prepared to be astounded and amazed by my unique abilities. If you said yes, aw, you guys are so sweet. You really believe in me. It's making me a little emotional. Come on in for a hug. Hug. Virtual hug. We're good. So I know I can do it, and I believe that you can too. And that's why I'm challenging you, my crafty YouTuber friends, to an open challenge where you can turn some Dollar Tree items or inexpensive items into a high-end home decor item. So all you need to do to participate in this challenge is 3 magic things. First of all, you have to upload your video on Wednesday, March the 24th, and just let me know when you do so I can add it to my playlist. Number 2, you must put in the title hashtag Spring DIY Dupe, and I will put the information in the description box below so you get the exact spelling. That way you can be added to the magic playlist. And number 3, somewhere in your video you need to include a picture of what you are trying to recreate, so the high-end item that shows the original price and where it's from. For example, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Wayfair, wherever it is you find the picture online, you have to put a picture in your video that shows the item that you're trying to recreate, where it's sold, and how much it cost. Then you also have to show a picture, obviously, of what you recreated and how much it cost you to make it. Sound like fun, my magical friends? I knew you could do it. So to get you started off, I am going to be doing one of these magical dupes myself today, taking a few Dollar Tree items and making a really cute spring home sign that I saw on the internet for a lot more. So if you're ready to see my magical abilities, let's get started. And you better hurry before it all disappears. So I found this awesome website, countrydoor.com. It had some beautiful farmhouse decor items that I just loved, but the price was a little much. This little sign was $20, and I thought surely with some Tumbling Tower blocks from the Dollar Tree, some popsicle sticks, and some varieties of Gorilla Glue, as well as some chalk paint and some other embellishments, I could make that for a lot less. So here we go. So first of all, I tried to put the Tumbling Tower blocks in the basic shape of the sign, and I ended up using about 20 of them, so about half a package. So right there, that was about $1.50 here in Canada, because our package of Tumbling Tower blocks is about $3. So I was off to a good start. Now to recreate the little roof on the house on top, I thought I could use 2 of these bigger popsicle sticks and glue them on there. I also had on hand a variety of these little wooden letters, and the B was quite a bit bigger than the others, so I used a big B and then smaller LESS for bless. Once I had everything mapped out, I divided up the blocks into the different colors that I would have to paint. Now I had some white chalk paint and some gray chalk paint, but I didn't have any of the beigey brown, so I just used some acrylic paint that I had on hand. But I divided the blocks and letters up into which colors were which and proceeded to paint them and let them dry. Once all the blocks were painted and dried, I put them back into the pattern that I wanted. Then I used my Gorilla hot glue to affix them into place. Then I took the large craft stick that I had painted gray and just cut it in half with scissors. It was quite thin, so it was easy to cut. And then just placed it to look like a roof and glued it on top. Then I used my hot glue again to glue the letters on to spell the word bless. Now to recreate the cute little wreath that was on top of the house, I took some really fine greenery that I got from the Dollar Tree, took a piece of the wire, bent it into a circle, and then used hot glue to glue the greenery pieces around. I then took a piece of jute twine, tied it into a little bow, and glued it on top of the wreath, and glued the wreath onto the house. Then I used a sharp pair of scissors just to trim it up a bit. So I thought about digging out my Cricut to make the words home that were on the bottom of the sign, but I had a silver marker that was kind of dull and not shiny, and I thought I was just going to freehand write the word home on there as well as some leaves. And I thought it turned out pretty cute for only a couple of dollars. So don't forget to check out the description box below for the details for the challenge.